Hi guys, join me and unbox my blender. So I got myself a new blender. Okay, so I have to open this at the pickup point. So I saw so many reviews about this blender online, and this is the new product from Casa. Okay, and from what I saw online that made me went for this blender, they say it crushes everything. I got this on Jumia. I ordered this on Jumia. This is the cover. We have two covers here. It's a 2-cup blender, 2-drop blender. Okay. So we have the covers here, and this is an unbreakable jar. I think this one should be for this. So now we get this one, and this is here. I'm so happy. Like, I think this one is for, where's the other one? Okay, this one is the dry cup. This one is the dry cup, and this is where you fix it in. Let me keep this so you guys will be seeing it. And I think this is the cover. This is not a paid ad though. This is the cover. Yeah, then here we go. See. Yay, I'm so happy. I don't know how to fix this one. Okay. Okay. This is it. And you on your grinder. Then this one, so. Don't know why. Okay. This is it. Then you blend. So I will show you guys how I use it, and I'll give you guys a review on whether to go for it or not. Okay, look at how I'm sweating. You know?